If you are using Copilot, then there's a new feature that you can start using, and it's pretty helpful. So let me show you. If you are using Visual Studio Code and you open your terminal, this is a simple application that I'm having, which I can run using npm start, and you don't have to worry about the application or anything. I just want to show you what's now possible. If I just highlight this text which appears in the terminal and I right click, then you will see something like Copilot explain this. Once you click on it, Copilot will get the context and tell you what all this means. And like you can see, the terminal selection shows logs generated by Nest application when it starts up. Similarly, if you encounter some error, then this can be really useful because you can understand what's going on, and instead of copy pasting everything, you can just highlight and check. So this is a cool feature that you can try out now. Thanks.